Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to do the topic of that how to solve the square root using prime factorization. So here we are having question number 1, that square root 6 whole number 145 divided by 256. So we will solve first the mixed fraction and convert it into the fraction form, which will be 1681 divided by 256. Now as you can see that we are having 1681 as our number. So in the last of 1681 it is coming 1. So the numbers with the numbers which are having the last digit as 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 can be a perfect square. So what I'm trying to say that multiplying each number again and again and trying to see that which number gets multiplied twice, and we will get the 1681, because if you divide this by 2, so it will not get divided. If you divide this by 3, you will get the answer in the decimal point. So the method to solve this 1681 is that first you will see this number like it is 1681. So you will see over here that 16 is coming. So we are having 4 fours are 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So what we can do over here, that 4 fours is 16. So we can see that 40 multiplied by 40 is equals to 1600. And 50 multiplied by 50 is equals to 2500. So we want this one. We want 81 number. So we can choose the number in the range of this 40 to 50. Means that we can multiply the range of 40 till 50 numbers twice and see that in which we are having the number of 1681. So we can simply try the number 41 twice. So if we will multiply 1 ones is equals to 1 and 1 fours are 4, multiply by 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So we are having 1, 8, 4 plus 4, 8 and 6 and 1. So we are exactly having 1681 as the square of 41 number. So we can write over here that 41 square is 1681. So when you will multiply 41 multiply by 41, yani ke 41 twice means 41 twice. So here it is that, and we are having 256 also. So what we can do with 256, we can take out its LCM. 256, 2 128s are 256 and 2 64s are 128. 2 32s are 64 and 2 16s are, we are having 32. 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 1 and 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we are having how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write a list down over here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 8 times we are having. Now what we can do over here, we can just make it into pairs like this, and we can just write it only once. Means we are having two pairs, so we can write one time over here, and this 2 also one time, this 2 also one time, and from this pair we will also choose one time 2. So when you will multiply, 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8, and 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 16. So 16 we are having is the perfect square of 256. Means that when you will multiply 16 twice, so you will get 256 as a number. So I will write over here 16 multiplied by 16. Now what we are going to do, that we are going to write it once 41 and apply the power 2 over here, because it is coming 2 times. Now we can cut the square root with the square like this, and we will get the answer as 41 divided by 60. So it is our answer. We are having a second question, square root 2 whole number 9 upon 49. By solving this, we will get 107 upon 49. So 107 is not a perfect square because it does not end upon 0. This large digit is not 0, 1, 4, 5, 4, 6 and 9. It is 7. So it is not a perfect square. So what we will simply do, we will take out its square root by long division method. So if you want to watch this and learn how to solve square root using long division method. So I have made a video on that. I will mention it in the I button of this video, and you can go and watch it. Ten minus 6 is going to be 4. 9 minus 5, 4, and 10 minus 2 will be 8. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Means this decimal will continue. This decimal point will continue till the very end. So it will not stop. So we will just take up to 2 decimal point places. 10.34. So 10.34 divided by, we will now take out we are having 7 multiplied by 7 as a perfect square of 49. So we will just take 7 one time, 10.34, and write it over here like this. The square root will be cancelled by the square. So 10.34 divided by 7. Now when we will divide 10.34 with the 7 number, so 7 ones are 7 and 3 will come. Now again we will shift downwards 3 and 33. So 7 fours will be 28, and we will get 13 minus 8 will be 5, and we are having 2 over here. So 0, and again we'll call 4. So 7 sevens will be 49, and when you'll carry over here, 14 minus 9 will be again 5. So what is this? It is also continuing. So we will only write 47 as our answer. Stay tuned for the next part.
Like, share and comment, and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.